Welcome back to Live, Laugh, Love with Jen. Today's video is part 2 of my ultimate kitchen cleaning, and today I'm going to be cleaning out this refrigerator so that I can get ready for my holiday baking. I'm going to be cleaning out the pantry and cleaning my appliances as well, so stay tuned. Like that, it's all empty. I'm going to run some hot soapy water to get these crumbs and other little things out of the refrigerator.
Chosen, snow is falling, Alfie's calling, check my list twice, most of y'all done, sleigh bells ringing, diamonds blinging, carols singing, favorite season, sleigh bells ringing, diamonds blinging, carols singing, favorite season. They say sing it, but you gotta bend that bag, yeah. I got racks in my sack, hurt my back. You got up in that bag, yeah. I got racks in my sack, hurt my back, yeah. Dasher, Dancer, Prancer, and Vixen. Comet, Cupid, Garner, and Blitzen. No, I can't forget about the one with the red nose. When I fly high, my sleigh still stay 10 toes. Bring the beat, bring the cheese, put the lights out. 'Tis the season, need no Grinch types, no Ebenezer. Sleigh bells ringing, diamonds blinging, carols singing, favorite season. Sleigh bells ringing, diamonds blinging, carols singing, favorite season. They said sing it, but you got up in that bag, yeah. I got racks in my sack, hurt my back, yeah. They said sing it, but you got up in that bag, yeah. I got racks in my sack, hurt my back, yeah. Saying it, but you got up in that bag, yeah. I got racks in my sack, hurt my back, yeah. They said saying it, but you got up in that bag. I got racks in my sack, hurt my back. Merry Christmas, everybody.
Okay, so my biggest tip for you would be to clean out your refrigerator before you do your holiday shopping, because this took me 15 minutes from start to finish. I do wipe my refrigerator down once a week with vinegar water, but I took everything out and it only took me 15 minutes, and I have a whole trash can of expired items. So, finished product, trash. Next up is my pantry. It is not too bad, but I do need to pull these boxes out, get rid of anything that has expired so that I can make room for all the ingredients for my holiday recipes. I don't have things labeled yet in here. If you guys have been watching for a while, you know that I just redid my pantry and did not film a video on it, But I'm gonna take these 2 baskets down. This basket actually has my disposable items. This basket has cooking ingredients. And take this down, take this out, go through this basket, go through these baskets, and go through this basket, and then I should be done.
And it is cold outside. We gather around the fireplace, and no one cares about yesterday. My favorite holiday. It means so much more than words can say. And I claim that Christmas is a magic day. Sometimes I tend to forget what glory this holiday represents. But it's fair to say that Christmas is a magic day. This year I'll think about how I'm so lucky to have a place that I can come home to. Yes, I am on my way. We'll put our differences aside and just enjoy this moment of peace and love and happiness. We come together to celebrate. Yes, every time the snow is falling down and it is cold outside, we gather around the fireplace and no one cares about yesterday. My favorite holiday. It means so much more than words can say. And I claim that Christmas is a magic day. Sometimes I tend to forget what glory this holiday represents. But it's fair to say that Christmas is a magic
That did not take long at all. My question for you guys is, how do you think I should label these bins? What do you think I should use? That's why they're not labeled. I haven't decided. I mean, I know on this I have the chalk and I can mark it, but I'm wondering about the little clothespin things that you can get that have the chalkboard thing on them. I don't know. Just let me know in the comments how you would label it. So my microwave is a hot mess. I usually keep it cleaned up as I go, but I've been kind of slack lately. So what I'm going to do is take about a cup of water. I'm going to put it in a microwave safe dish and get all this loosened up so that I can clean inside. So when I get this water out, it's going to be super hot, so I need to make sure I have something to grab the handle with. One time I did this using vinegar and it cleaned the microwave really well, but it stunk up the whole house. You can also put essential oils in the water if you want. You want to make that aroma in the house, whatever you want to do, but the water just helps to get the surface ready to clean.
Yes, every time the snow is falling down and it is cold outside, we gather around the fireplace and no one cares about yesterday. My favorite holiday. It means so much more than words can say. And I claim that Christmas is a magic day. Sometimes I tend to forget what glory this holiday represents. But it's fair to say that Christmas is a magic day.
So the microwave is all nice and shiny. I'm going to use the real simple stainless steel cleaner The smell is not my favorite, but it gets the job done. So I'm going to clean the refrigerator. This time of year when there's so much stress and so much chaos going on as we try to finish last minute Christmas shopping and attend all the events we have to attend. So I hope that you guys were motivated to get your kitchen cleaned and decorated for the holiday season, and happy holiday baking and cooking or whatever you're going to be doing in your kitchen this season. And remember, take time to live, laugh, and love today. I'll see you in the next one. Bye-bye.